Hey everyone, Craig here from Clarion BTC. Today I want to talk about one of the most destructive habits in revenge trading. And honestly, this is where most traders completely lose control. Here's how it usually starts. You take a loss, then another, and before you know it, your brain stops thinking logically. You're no longer thinking about market structure, probabilities, risk management, liquidity, or confirmation. Instead, you're thinking about one thing: how do I get my money back? That single thought has destroyed more trading accounts than bad strategies ever have. Because the moment revenge mode kicks in, everything changes. Traders start increasing their position sizes. They chase entries. They ignore stop losses. They force setups that aren't really there. And they hold losing trades because they don't want to admit they're wrong. At that point, you're not trading anymore. You're reacting. And the Bitcoin market is incredibly efficient at punishing emotional decisions. At Clarion BTC, one thing we believe very strongly is the market doesn't owe you a recovery. It isn't fair. There's no cosmic balance, and there isn't a guaranteed trade waiting to make your losers disappear. And there isn't a guaranteed trade waiting to make your losses disappear. Every setup starts on its own. Every trade is independent. Once you truly accept that, you stop forcing trades because of emotion. One of the hardest things any trader can do is absolutely nothing. But sometimes the highest level trading decisions is simply stepping back. Professional traders survive losing streaks by becoming more defensive, not more aggressive. That's one of the biggest differences between retail traders and professionals. When market conditions aren't ideal, reduce your position size, become more selective, take fewer trades, and protect your mental capital, because psychology matters. A damaged mindset creates damaged decisions. Damaged decisions destroy trading accounts. Remember this: you don't need to win today, you need to survive long enough to win consistently over time. That's the Clarion BTC mindset. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more Bitcoin trading education, market psychology, and disciplined risk management. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.